Have you ever wondered if there's a way to make your meals even healthier, more diverse, and incredibly delicious? All without using rice? Today, I'm going to share 5 incredible alternatives that will transform your culinary experience and boost your health. And stick around till the end because I have a special bonus substitute that you definitely don't want to miss. Welcome back, food enthusiasts! Whether you're looking to cut down on carbs, introduce more variety into your diet, or simply explore new flavors, I've got something exciting for you. Rice is a staple in many diets. But what if I told you there are other options that offer even more benefits? Stick around because these 5 rice substitutes are not only nutritious, but also surprisingly tasty. By the end of this video, you'll be eager to try them in your next meal. Trust me, you won't miss the rice. 5. The low-calorie, vitamin-rich veggie surprise. First up is a vegetable that can be transformed into a perfect rice substitute with a simple kitchen gadget. I'm talking about cauliflower. When you pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor, you get rice that's low in calories and high in vitamins C and K. Nutritional benefits. Cauliflower is low in carbs and calories, making it an excellent choice for weight management. It's also high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety. Culinary uses. Cauliflower rice is incredibly versatile. You can sauté it with some olive oil and garlic for a quick side dish, use it as a base for stir fries, or even create a low-carb version of sushi. Its neutral flavor allows it to take on the taste of whatever seasonings and sauces you use. 4. The ancient grain with a chewy texture. If you're looking for a rice alternative that has stood the test of time, then this one's for you. Meet barley, an ancient grain with a chewy texture and nutty flavor. Nutritional benefits. Barley is rich in dietary fiber, which helps in lowering cholesterol and maintaining a healthy digestive system. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals like selenium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Culinary uses. Barley is perfect for adding to soups and stews, giving them a hearty texture. It can also be used in salads or as a side dish. Try a warm barley and vegetable medley or a refreshing barley and herb salad. Moving on, we have millet, a grain that's both easy to cook and incredibly nutritious. Millet is gluten-free and high in magnesium, which is essential for heart health. It also contains antioxidants and is a good source of fiber, helping to control blood sugar levels. Millet's mild flavor makes it a versatile ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. Use it as a base for grain bowls, pilafs, or even breakfast porridge. For a twist, try making a millet tabbouleh or a creamy millet risotto. The quick cooking couscous. For those who want a speedy rice substitute, couscous is your go-to. Made from semolina wheat, couscous cooks in just 5 minutes. Couscous is rich in selenium, which is important for immune function and thyroid health. It also provides a decent amount of protein and fiber. Couscous is light, fluffy, and absorbs flavors beautifully. It's perfect for making quick and easy side dishes, vibrant salads, or even main courses. Try a Moroccan-inspired couscous with chickpeas and vegetables or a simple lemon and herb couscous. The protein-packed, fiber-rich bulgur wheat. Next, let's talk about bulgur wheat. This whole grain is a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine and is packed with protein and fiber. Bulgur wheat is a low-calorie, nutrient-dense food. It provides a good amount of protein, fiber, and essential minerals like manganese and magnesium. It's also beneficial for heart health and weight management. Bulgur wheat is parboiled, which means it cooks quickly and has a slightly nutty flavor with a chewy texture. It's perfect for making tabbouleh, adding to soups, or using as a base for hearty salads. Try a traditional tabbouleh with fresh parsley and tomatoes, or a warm bulgur pilaf with roasted vegetables. Bonus, the superfood grain that'll transform your diet. And as promised, here's the bonus quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, making it a fantastic choice for vegetarians and meat-eaters alike. Quinoa is a powerhouse of nutrition. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also rich in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin E. Quinoa has a slightly nutty flavor and a satisfying texture, perfect for salads, soups, and as a side dish. It's gluten-free and cooks in just 15 minutes, making it a quick and nutritious option for any meal. Try a quinoa and black bean salad, a quinoa breakfast bowl with fruits and nuts, or a quinoa stuffed bell pepper. And there you have it. 5 incredible rice alternatives plus a bonus that are sure to take your meals to the next level. These substitutes not only provide a wealth of health benefits, but also bring new flavors and textures to your plate. So why not give them a try? Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Before you go, I have linked you a video on what will happen when you put a bay leaf on your feet. It's very eye-opening. Check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier and more delicious life. Until next time, happy cooking!